Hello everyone, welcome to Saka Systems and Services. We wish you a very happy learning. Today, we'll be diving into a powerful and commonly used function called VLOOKUP. Let's understand first, what is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP stands for Vertical Lookup and is a function in Excel that allows you to search for a value in a column of data and return a corresponding value from the same row in another column. Then the obvious question comes to mind, why should we learn VLOOKUP? Is VLOOKUP useful? It's particularly useful when working with large datasets where manually searching for a specific value could be time-consuming. Let's proceed for demonstration.
Let me explain the syntax for the VLOOKUP function. My requirement is I have two sheets in my Excel workbook. One is personal sheet and another is address sheet. In personal sheet, I have personal details of the employee. In the address sheet, I have address details of the employee. What I am expecting for each employee, I want to get the city of that employee, and the city is in the address sheet. What I'll be doing, so I'll be doing VLOOKUP to search for it, equal symbol when you are using any function, VLOOKUP. First is lookup value. What value you are going to look up? I want to compare lookup employee IDs and table array. It says where you want to check these employees. I want to check these employees in this address sheet and all these records. Then comes column index. Which record you want? Give that column index. I am expecting from the address city. So the column index is 1, 2, 3. Remember what you want to be returned. The result should be right to what you are searching. For this example, I am comparing employee ID. So the city should be right to it. That's a rule. Then you say last option, you give true or false. True means if you want approximate match, I'll give false. I want exact match. Exact match means the employee ID from the personal sheet should exactly match the employee ID in this address. After this employee ID is matched, I'm expecting the cities to be returned. That is nothing but column 3. So first option is what you want to search. Second is where you want to search. Third is after the searching, which column index you want to return. Fourth option is do you want a partial search or exact search. You can see employee ID 1, there is no city. If you can see, it starts from 10, 69, 70. Simply what you can do, you click here and drag down. So that formula will be copied. You can see for 10, employee 10, this is the city. 69, Bristol, this is the city. Let's validate it. 10, city. 69, Bristol is the city. So this is the simplest form of VLOOKUP. And let me explain you again the syntax. The first option is what you want to search. Then second is where you want to search. Then third is which column you want to be returned as a result. So I gave column number 3, index 3. Then last is you want exact or approximate. Approximate is true, exact is false. Okay, so this is the syntax.
In conclusion, VLOOKUP is a powerful tool in Excel that can save time and effort when working with large datasets. Experiment with it and integrate it into your workflows for more efficient data analysis. Thank you for visiting One Saka Academy. If you find the session useful, please like, share your comments and do subscribe to stay tuned for our upcoming learning sessions on Excel.